In today's video, we're diving into the world of top detox smoothies that can help reduce subcutaneous fat. We'll explore delicious recipes packed with nutrients that not only taste great but also support your weight loss journey. Reducing subcutaneous fat is crucial for overall health, as it can lower the risk of chronic diseases and improve your energy levels. By incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine, you'll not only enjoy refreshing flavors but also boost your metabolism and enhance your body's natural detoxification processes. So, if you're ready to sip your way to a healthier you, stay tuned for some fantastic smoothie ideas that can transform your diet. Understanding subcutaneous fat. Subcutaneous fat is the layer of fat located just beneath the skin, providing insulation and cushioning for the body. Unlike visceral fat, which surrounds internal organs and poses greater health risks, subcutaneous fat is generally less harmful but can still impact overall health when present in excess. High levels of subcutaneous fat can lead to issues such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and joint problems. To effectively manage body fat, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet rich in whole foods and engage in regular exercise. By adopting these healthy habits, you can reduce excess subcutaneous fat and improve your overall well-being, leading to a healthier, more active lifestyle. Benefits of detox smoothies. Incorporating detox smoothies into your weight loss regimen can significantly aid in fat reduction and detoxification. These nutrient-packed beverages help flush out toxins while providing essential vitamins and minerals that support your body's natural processes. Key ingredients like leafy greens, fruits, and seeds are rich in antioxidants and fiber, promoting satiety and reducing cravings. For example, spinach is loaded with iron, while berries are high in antioxidants that combat inflammation. Not only are detox smoothies delicious and refreshing, but they also serve as a convenient way to boost your daily nutrient intake. So, consider adding these tasty and healthy options to your diet for a flavorful path to weight loss and wellness. Top detox smoothie recipes. Here are some effective detox smoothie recipes designed to help reduce subcutaneous fat. 1. Green Power Smoothie. Blend 1 cup of spinach, 1 banana, 1/2 cup of almond milk, and a handful of blueberries until smooth. For a protein boost, add a scoop of protein powder. 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. Combine 1 cup of mixed berries, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Blend until creamy. 3. Tropical Twist Smoothie. Mix 1 cup of kale, 1/2 cup of pineapple, and 1/2 cup of coconut water. For a sweeter taste, add a splash of honey. Feel free to adjust ingredients based on your taste preferences or dietary needs, such as using dairy-free yogurt or adding nut butter for extra creaminess. Incorporating smoothies into your diet. To effectively integrate detox smoothies into your daily meals, consider consuming them in the morning as a nutritious breakfast or as a mid-afternoon snack for an energy boost. Replacing unhealthy snacks with smoothies can help curb cravings while providing essential nutrients. When it comes to portion sizes, aim for 8 to 12 ounces per serving to keep calorie intake in check. It's also important to balance your smoothies with other food groups. Pair them with a source of protein, like nuts or yogurt, and include healthy fats, such as avocado or flax seeds. This approach ensures you receive a well-rounded diet while enjoying the benefits of detox smoothies. Common mistakes to avoid. When making detox smoothies, it's essential to avoid common pitfalls that can hinder your health goals. One major mistake is adding excessive sugars or high-calorie ingredients, such as sweetened yogurts or syrups, which can negate the benefits of your smoothie. Instead, focus on using fresh, whole ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and nuts to maximize nutritional value. Another important point is to avoid relying solely on smoothies for weight loss. They should complement a balanced diet rather than replace whole meals. Incorporating a variety of foods ensures you receive all necessary nutrients while enjoying the delicious flavors of your detox smoothies. Stay mindful, and you'll reap the full benefits. In summary, detox smoothies offer a delicious and effective way to reduce subcutaneous fat while providing essential nutrients for overall health. By incorporating ingredients like leafy greens and berries, you can enhance your weight loss journey and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Remember, A holistic approach to health and wellness is key. Combining smoothies with a balanced diet and regular exercise will yield the best results. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with friends and family. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your path to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching.